Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden chillin', helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze, while you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me, getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man. About to get to it and make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? But let me show you what's popping out first. Y'all can see them sunflowers is getting big off in the mix. We gotta do some weeding in there and do some more planting, because them birds that came in and they just keep eating up our seeds. You dig what I'm saying? But it's all good. It is all good. Look at that. They're them jungle stripe peanuts. Y'all remember we planted them in. They busting. You know what I'm saying? Hit them black peanuts. Look, they busting too. You know what I'm saying? Now, soon as you come in, look, you see it. Tomatoes. One side. Tomatoes. On two sides. Busting. Oh, more tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? Then, over here, we got some beans. Look at that. Beans just all in them thing. Oh, get that little bug off of there. We got to go. But you see it. Beans all up in there. Beans, beans, beans. You know what I'm saying? The cucumbers, they coming through too on this side. I just saw a little baby. Cucumber where he at. Where he at? There you go. Little baby cucumber. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Then we got them purple cocoa beans. Look at them. Yeah. So it's busting. You know what I'm saying? Look up here. Them ground cherries, they still growing like a foo-foo. You know what I'm saying? We just had some rain in this thing, so now everything is really busting. You see what I'm saying? Tomatoes, they looking real good after we done pruned them and got them right. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. They're them royalty purple beans. You know what I'm saying? They busting. I mean, like I said, that rain came in, and I ain't had time to cut the grass last week. So, got to do that today. That's another chore. You know what I'm saying? Got to make that happen. Get it placking. Look at that. We got them peppers coming in. That's the sweet peppers right there. They're looking real well. You know what I'm saying? Got some more busting. They just busting. You know what I'm saying? I thought we had some okra. I'm like, oh, there they go. Little baby okra. Yeah. There you go. That big white scallop squash. That's in there busting. Waiting on them beans to show they sell. You know what I'm saying? Wait on these hot peppers to show them sell. But you know, them zucchini, they still going at it strong. You know what I'm saying? Them zucchini, they is making it do what it does. More tomatoes. Y'all know. And as you see, the raised beds are steady busting. Still gotta string these tomatoes up. You know what I'm saying? They're laying down because they starting to bust up like a food. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta string them up so they can stand tall and run up that string. You know what I'm saying? Like everything else. Y'all see it? Busting. Beans. Yeah. So, you know, we got some work to do. Got some weeding, some grass cutting, some picking to do. That's gonna be at the end. But at the same time too, I also need to make this little hay feeder. Y'all remember I did this a while ago when we had the other spot on Camden Road. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna take these reclaimed pallets right there. Take out some of the boards, leave some of the boards, made them together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make a hay feeder. You know what I'm saying? As y'all know, Petey Week went to the other side. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. We still got my boy Pancho and Night. Hey over there. Hillside action. Y'all see him. They still grazing like a fool. Got some work to do in there too. Got to do some cleaning, and I got to reattach the fence on the back. So, man, it's a busy day. Got some pots finally, so I got some more of these pots right here. So we got more plants to plant. Those plants that Jessup bought me, and them other herbs. so they can make it do what it does. So we got a busy day. So let's hop to it, get to it, and make it do what it do. Get it?
Now it's like bombs, so make sure you catch it. Hold up and pay attention real quick. I'm giving out game you should get. That'll stand firm with no flinch on how to get the earth back balance. Come back to dystopia that we created, resurrect. The earth will be so amazing to bring back life to the barren places and watch the quality in life increase. I'm on the way into the day I die, helping life on earth survive. Well, business with no jive. I used to look the chicken right in the eye, thank him for life, doing me, and then hours later he was getting fried. No, don't be surprised, it's just a part of that form life. Hakuna Matata, it's gonna be alright. Now I only eat that plant life. Had to switch my metrics a little bit so I can get my understanding right. Cause when you know better, that's when you can grow greater. That's why I'm trying to show you better, so we can elevate together, increasing all forms of life on earth up to a superb level where all life is equal together, unified under one umbrella, so earth can be a better place forever.
Woo! Jeez, man, I just got it in. You did what I'm saying? Cut all the grass. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? All the way up there, all the way down. Got them plants out of there that we need to put up on those other poles, on the raised beds. You did what I'm saying? So now, not going out there to go weed, because that's by that concrete and it's gonna be hot. But what I am gonna do is start breaking down these pallets, start making those hay feeders, cause all we need is one. You did what I'm saying? All we got is poncho back there at night, so we'll be good. You know what I mean? One hay feeder should do us good, because I had 3 goats and a donkey eating out one hay feeder. So that's what we about to do. That's the next move, you know what I'm saying, before we go into our next task after that. You did? Alright, first thing first, we gotta take out these inside panels, you know what I'm saying? That's what we gotta do first off if we want to turn this into a hay feeder. But I want to try to keep these middle two, because we can use those to make our structure a lot more sturdy when we finish. So let's go ahead and break into it to make it do what it does, so we can go on to our next task. You did?
Get out the way, cause it's on the wave and it's so prolific. Outdoor first form, dry knowledge like bombs, so make sure you catch it. Get out the way, cause it's on the wave and it's so prolific. Outdoor first form, dry knowledge like bombs, so make sure you catch it. Now run and tell somebody quick about all this knowledge, so Mother Nature can start to heal from the new way that we start to live. Let's monocropping out in the field, stop cutting the forest, let it refill. The animals should be free, because we waste so much space. Go back to gardening and gathering, regenerate the earth, let it plaque again. So fresh air can create the wind and the water can flow clean again. Regenerate the earth, let it plaque again from the new way that we start to live. So fresh air can create the wind and the water can flow clean again.
In the middle. Oh, for the hay. Oh, kiss in the middle.
Like that right there.
You gotta put that down. Something in there though.
Yeah. We gotta get the rest of that stuff out. Y'all see that? Let them see that first.
What'd you say?
Let them see that first. Let them see that. That's how it's gonna be. Like this right here. And then the goats can go underneath. They can put their mouth in on the side.
Put the mouth.
Nibble in on that side. And they won't waste that much hay. You know what I'm saying? So, we're gonna finish, get with it, and show you what the ending be like. Alright, y'all see it. Put it together real quick, like. Gotta do some little modifications on it to make sure everything's safe. But yeah, there it is. A nice, easy little hay feeder. You dig? Yeah, show them first. Show them what it is.
We got our bag. We just light skinned today. And we got zucchinis. I gotta find a squash. Look at this squash. Ooh, this heavy too. Heavy squash. Heavy squash.
That's scallop squash. That scallop squash right there.
What makes it a scallop squash?
Yeah, just the way it grows, and you see how it looks. It looks like a flying saucer, maybe like a scallop.
It look like my grandmama in a wig if she was light skinned.
What else you got in there?
Okay, let me get the water up out of there. Oh, I don't understand. We got beans.
Yep.
Beans.
Purple, royalty purple beans.
Purple.
And them, some of them cocoa beans that grow right
Yeah.
there on the trellis. You did what I'm saying?
Hold up.
What else you got in there?
We got green beans, but they
Green
under
beans.
the beans.
The beans? Oh, that them rattlesnake
The color
pole
purple
beans.
beans.
The rattlesnake.
If I can find one, let's see how many times I'm gonna dig in the bottom of this till we get one.
It's the endless.
We got one!
There it is. There it is. Yep, that them rattlesnake pole beans.
Beautiful
you know what I'm
rattlesnake. Look at
saying?
it against the
Yep,
skin.
Yep.
Rattlesnakes
Pole beans. Yeah.
stabbing.
Well, yeah, man. Y'all seen it. We done got with it. You know what I'm saying? We done cleaned it up. You know what I'm saying? We done made the hay feeder. We did a little picking. So I say that's a good day's work. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here, and we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Yeah, anyway. Beans.
Hello. Yes, it's me. Yes. Make sure you follow me. Yeah, Lelo Jones. At Lelo Jones. And make sure you follow the Outdoor Fresh Farm. At Outdoor Fresh Farm. Like, share, and subscribe. You